He did the other day, but it wasn't nearly this soupy the other day. The left line was soupy, that was it. Back up and hit it harder.
That thing was a beast. Looked like
back up more.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to pop all over.
Straighten out. Straighten out. Stay in that left-hand groove. It's best to stay in this left-hand groove. Back up, straighten out, hit it hard. Right there, straight on, hit it hard. You almost had it. Same thing, just harder.
Try second.
A little faster, and you got it. Go all the way down to the dirt and hit it hard. You know this counts as a 4 in me and you. Again, harder. Hey, that's what my girlfriend told me last night. Again, harder. She told me to give her 6 inches and make it hurt, so I fucked her twice and slapped her. My girls are so bad at geometry, right? You guys are always telling this is 6 inches. Hit it hard! You're almost
You want help now?
One more.
One more?
Okay, when you get up to your highest point, start doing that. Either that or what you can do is ride your brake just a little bit and it'll actually work as a locker.
No.
One more. You had that one, dude. Yeah, he was done. He was good on that one.
Actually, it's really. Yeah, I know.
You want help or you want one more? You want to pull it out?
Yeah,
one more.
Might as well try once more while it's done.
Yeah. It wants it. Yeah. You get a little further every time. Couple feet.